wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna be a little limited on the videos that I upload in the next few days. It's a long story, but I injured my right arm, which is my dominant arm, and now I can't straighten it or lift it above my head. So it made doing my face and my hair very difficult today. It's already 1 in the afternoon and I started at like 11 a.m. And I just didn't want to, film that process and whatnot. So the videos over the next few days, I'm going to try to figure something out on what I'll be uploading, but just bear with me there. But today I figured I could try to do a video where I just, show one product and whatnot and give a quick little first impressions review. So if you guys want to know more about this product, which I think is a dupe for a couple other products out there, let's go. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand. This retails for $9. There are 5 options on Ulta. I'm assuming I have the deepest one. Yes, this is the shade Deep Rich. This is what the picture looks like on the website. This is what it looks like in real life. If I could open this. Come on. Also, that's not to say like I can't move my right arm. Like I said, I just can't utilize it. Basically, this is what the shade looks like in real life. I'll swatch it in a second. This says, contour like a pro, e.l.f. I really try to not say things like, can anything else go wrong? Can I catch a break? That type of stuff. But the way the camera cut off, just did not show me swatching the product on the back of my hand, me blending it out on 75% of my face. The only thing I have left is the top part, which at this point might have dried down because I had to realize that it wasn't filming. And it's like, really? I'm gonna make the best because it takes away the first impression, because redoing it would no longer be a first impression. So that is the product there on my forehead, those little dots there. I'm gonna blend that out, and then I guess I'll retell you the things that I literally just said in this video. Love that for me. Okay. But I even struggled to use my right arm for the rest of the sides of my face because, again, I don't want this to finish this video looking a hot mess, but God has other. Do you see why I didn't want to do a video trying to do my whole face? I don't even know how to hold the brush with my left hand. I'm not built for this. But I can say I did have to pause, fix my camera and then come back. And I really thought the product would have dried out on my face, but since it's just still sitting there, but it's still easy to blend out. And that is something I said when I was, the way I'm just malfunctioning. That is something I said when I was blending it out on my cheeks, is that it's not the wateriest product. So I was a little curious, how is this really gonna blend out? But it blends out really easily, really seamlessly. This is a swatch of the color, just swatched on the back of my hand. Okay, e.l.f. Okay, contour. When we say contour, this is what we mean for deeper complexions. And that's why, we don't be caring when e.l.f. dupes the girls, because e.l.f. dupes the girls and does it correctly. Formula and shade, okay? Ooh, child. Okay, so before I go ahead and finish my face, like I said, I always say, I should remember less is more when I'm trying something out for the first time. Clearly did not do that this time around. So, it's giving a little, we see it there on the cheeks. But, that just lets you know if you are going for that contour or you want people to see it, it can be seen. It blends out really nicely. Okay, y'all, so this is it for my face. I know pretty much where I put the product that we're reviewing today is now covered, but I think I've mentioned this before when talking about bronzer. I think I was talking about bronzer, that how the other products that you put in that area, so you know, contour, blush, bronzer, if you're looking for a good contours, how bronzer and blush, or if you're looking for a good bronzer, how blush and contour mix with that product, how easy it is to blend out on your face really does matter, because it's not always going to be so seamless, right? Sometimes products, you know, they don't layer on top of each other well, or other products won't layer well on top of it. It won't make it as easy for you to blend out on your face. I did not have an issue with this product, and like I said, it wasn't too watery for a contour. It wasn't too drying either. You know, it's not a cream contour stick, anything like that. The formula really gave a nice application for the product itself and the other products that I put on top of it. I did try to, you know, wipe away the swatch that I did. And mind you, this was just like, you know, like tissue paper or stuff like that. You could just use water or makeup remover to get rid of it. But, you know, for a pretty hard, you know, swipe with napkins and stuff like that, you see how it's still there. So it's kind of giving that, you know, even though when you first put it on, you have enough time to, you know, blend it out comfortably on your face. You don't have to rush or anything like that, because it's not going to dry down too quickly. It's giving, once it does set, it'll set on your face. So, you know, you won't have to worry about it moving or anything like that. Now, I will test that theory out, because you guys know I have oily skin. And we are getting into warmer weather, and I do believe I have to go outside today. But that's what it's giving for right now. I'm here for her. I really was not sure what I was going into with this, because like I said, I have tried products like this. They're not always my favorite, but the one thing I do like is how you can literally draw your application with that type of product, right? Now, I did say the first time around when it cut off and it did not get it, that this is, I believe, if this isn't a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury wand, then I feel like it's a dupe for the Tarte one. But this is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand. It retails for $42. It only has 2 shades though, so that's why I'm like, maybe it's not a dupe for this one. But also, while I'm looking at this, you only come in 2 shades. It's Auntie Charlotte. So then I went over to Ulta, and I was like, actually, I think she might be a dupe for this Tarte Sculpt Tape Contour product. It retails for $35. I see 7 shades here. And just looking, again, you know, the packaging is usually going to be the same for this type of product. I feel like this is what e.l.f. was duping here, and you know, I feel like y'all wouldn't have a problem with e.l.f. being duped. But like I said, like that's why we like e.l.f. Dupes, because they usually, you know, give you the same type of formula, if not better, and they usually come through when it comes to shade range, because y'all saw the Charlotte one. So if you guys are thinking of checking this out, I would say go for it. I like it. It's drugstore. It's affordable. It does what it's supposed to do. I like this. And you know, the shade for a contour, you know, I would suggest start small, slow and steady wins the race, and then build if you really want a more defined contour. But yeah, you know, if you want to hear my opinion, you want a recommendation from me, I would say if you're interested in this product, go ahead and check it out. So that is it for this video, y'all. I hope you guys like seeing me test this out, hearing my thoughts on this one. I am sorry that the video is kind of all over the place, but you know, your girl is just kind of struggling today, okay? You're gonna have to work with me the next few days, but that is it for this video. I hope seeing me test this out has helped. If any of you are thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.